to a loss, see, handily defeated by the Candy Family posse. I got mounds of red hot rhymes, let me tell ya. Warheads, fireballs, I'll candy shell ya. Leave a pulpy crater, find passion and I will date her. Beat you up, good and plenty now and later. As much as I'm enjoying toying with an orange who's annoying, I should just be getting going, cause I'm blatantly destroying you.
Guess what I can do?
Stop it.
I win. Know why? Cause I'm so fruit fly and you'll probably lose cause you're a vegetable.
Chocolate.
Rap like an apple. Get out of here and grapple with the fact that you go absolutely horrible with Snapple.
Hey.
Knock, knock, who's there? The Skittle I be. Cause I spit mad rhymes like I spit mad seeds.
I've got a riddle for ya. What kind of Skittle has a little M? Brittle, shell, and chocolatey middle. It doesn't take a smarty or a nerd to know I'm Eminem. Then again, you're a lemon head, so come again. Nothing rhymes with orange, so you got no rhymes. Just like you got no hands and no chance this time. A handstand to spell it out, then I'll pack it in. The M stands for me, the W stands for win.
Hey, hey, hey is for horses. Your stats are all whack, not even main courses. Bet you can't even touch your tongue to your eye, just like you